Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I did this nice editorial look. This is a talk through video showing you guys how I got this look. I added a couple gems. I really like how this look came out and I hope you guys enjoy it too. I know it's not for everyone. Color is not for everyone. So if you're scared, just watch the video, take it step by step. You can do it. I believe in you. You can do it. You got this. Ugh. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just watch my video and I'm gonna show you. Okay guys, today I am going to start off with my face. I know, wild. But yeah, I am going to be taking my Fenty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 200. Also, my hair is in braids because I was wearing a hat all day and my hair was super flat and I hated it. I'm just gonna squirt that on the back of my hand. I'm almost like out. Like I'm trying to finish it because like honestly I didn't really feel this foundation. It's a matte foundation. I usually go for like more dewy foundations because like I don't know, I just feel like it looks better on my skin. I'm just trying to get rid of it. How do you guys feel about the new Tarte Shape Tape foundations? Like the shade range, I guess, is like a big deal. I mean, it's obviously a big deal. They only have like 82 white shades and like one deeper shade. And even the white shades, like I don't think that any of them would like match me. Like I was looking, just like kind of scrolling through, and they all are like either super yellow or like super pink. And I think I'm more of like a neutral. So I don't know. We'll see. I might have to make a trip to Ulta to check them out. But for now, I'm just gonna try to get rid of this foundation. When I do my foundation first, I like to cover my eyes so like my eyelids won't match the rest of my skin. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm kind of like trying a new like way to put it on. Like I want my cheekbones to look higher than what they are. So I'm gonna try to fake it. We'll see if that works. I don't know. I just like experimenting with the way I make my face shape, I guess. My music like taste is like stuck in the 2000s. Like I hardly ever listen to new music and that's kind of sad. I don't know. I never thought I was gonna be this way. I'm taking my Coty Airspun powder and just baking my face. Oh, I got powder in my eye. Oh. I'm just gonna let that bake for a while. What I did is like I put it so it like makes my cheekbones look more, and I'm like I put it where I put it because like I obviously put concealer there, but like I'm gonna leave it set for a while so when I take it off it's gonna be brighter, so it'll look like my cheekbones are like, you know. I'm gonna get started with my eyes. I'm going into the shade Free Spirit from the Tarte Lip Palette and just setting my eyes with that because I put foundation over it. I swear I lose everything I freaking touch. Everything. Like I put something down for like 2 seconds and it's gone. Like I don't know. Like seriously, I don't know why it took me so long to freaking find this damn brush. Like I don't know. I'm just gonna dust that off. Okay guys, I'm back with my Morphe 35B palette. You guys are probably like really tired of me using this, but I love it. So I'm gonna take this lavender shade. I'm just gonna put that in my crease and then kind of like work it in. When I put like shades in my crease, I think I told you guys this before, but I like stick it in my crease. Like I just like stick the brush like right here. Like I look up and then use windshield wiper motions and circular motions to blend that out. When you're working with color, it's important to really blend it out because sometimes you can like, it won't be blended when you use color. Colors are scary, like they're hard to blend, but you can definitely do it if you just work at it. And I've been doing this for a while, like especially with color. I freaking love color, but it's really important to blend. I'm still gonna take that lavender shade and kind of take it in my inner corner and sweep it inwards. I think I'm gonna go for more of like a halo eye today, so it's important to do that when you're working with halo eyes. Next, I'm going to be taking this purple shade right here. I'm just taking that and really packing it on there, like on the outer part of my eye and the inner part of my eye as well. After I'm done packing that on in the outer part, I like go in my crease. Like I'm holding the brush parallel to my eye, so it's like right in my eye socket, like the crease part, because I don't really want to go down or up any more than it already is. So I'm just taking it flat and just going around my eyeball. So I'm taking it into my inner corner. Taking more of that product and adding it on my inner corner. I'm gonna take my tapered blending brush and taking that lavender shade that I used earlier and blending those two shades together. Next, I'm taking this deeper purple shade. I'm taking that deeper shade and putting it on the outer and inner for a halo eye. Next, after that vigorous amount of blending, I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape and clearing up my lid space. I'm going to be taking this shade right here and packing it on where I put that concealer. Next, I'm going into my Aurora Glow Kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going into the shade Gila and packing that over top of that green shade. Next, I'm taking my blending brush and just blending in those edges. Next, I'm gonna go in with a couple of these rhinestones and stick them on my eye. Okay, now that those are stuck on, I'm gonna go back into my Morphe 35B palette and going into those two purple shades that I used. That doesn't have a mirror, that was dumb. And just deepening up that purple. Next, I'm taking my two colorful glow kits and just highlighting my face with those. Like I'm just gonna go into a bunch of colors with these and just highlight it how I feel I want to. Okay, I'm going to finish up with my eyes. I look nuts right now, but I promise it'll work out. Yeah, but I'm going in with these two shades and sweeping them underneath my eye. I bought these Eyelure lashes. I'm gonna try to put them on. I'm not experienced in this department because I never wear eyelashes, but I'm gonna try them, see if they work. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I added this Lime Crime Black Velvet lipstick and added a couple highlight shades on it. So if you guys like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, whatever you want to do. Catch you later.